In this video, we will look at the purpose of the CPJ or Cash Payments Journal. This is Sam. He owns a small business called Sam's Repairs. Every day, Sam buys things for his business and pays his assistant. But how does he keep track of all the money he spends? One day, Sam realizes his toolbox is empty and he doesn't know where his money has gone. Did he spend it on supplies, wages, or something else? That's when Sam learns about the Cash Payments Journal or CPJ. Now, every time Sam spends money, he writes it down in the CPJ. This way, he knows what he paid, how much he paid, and who he paid. The CPJ helps him stay organized. Let's look at Sam's payments for June 2024. The first payment is on the 2nd of June. He pays Rightwell R300 for stationery using EFT 001. In the documents column, we write EFT 001. Date, the 2nd. Name of payee is Rightwell. In the bank column, R300. And in the stationery column, R300. Next, on the 10th of June, Sam buys a new drill from Tooltech for R1,200. That's equipment for his workshop using EFT 002. We write the following in the CPJ. In the documents column, EFT 002, date the 10th, name of payee, Tooltech. In the bank column, R1,200. And since there's no analysis column for equipment, we write R1,200 in the sundry accounts column and the details equipment. And finally, on the 30th of June, Sam pays his assistant R2,000 for wages. This payment is made in cash and the source document is the bank statement. In the document column, we write BS for bank statement. Date the 30th, name of payee is cash. In the bank column, R2,000 and in the wages column, R2,000. Now Sam's CPJ is complete. Every payment is written down with the correct amount, the name of the payee, and the reason for the payment. Remember, the CPJ makes keeping track of business spending simple.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.